Hey there, ever heard of RC? No, it's not a remote control, but something equally fascinating, reinforced concrete. And what is that? RC combines of might of concrete and the reinforcement of steel to create structures of remarkable strength and durability. But today's video isn't about diving into the depths of RC. Instead, we are owning in on a crucial aspect, calculating the volume of concrete. Why, you ask? Well, understanding concrete volume is like the compass of construction. It guides you to estimate how much cement, aggregate, and water you need for your project. And let's keep it simple, guys. Calculating concrete volume is like basic math back in school. First, you identify the shape of your structure, whether it is rectangular, cylindrical, or another form. Then, it's time to get familiar with the dimensions that define its size. Alright, let's bring it home with a practical example. My current project. Picture this. I'm working onto this structure. There are 4 columns, each measuring 300mm x 300mm with a length of 2.5 meters. And I've got 4 beams at 300mm x 500mm, also 2.5 meters long. Now let's roll up our sleeves and calculate the concrete volume for these elements. Like I said earlier, let's back to basic of math. For the 300mm x 300mm columns, we will use the formula length times width times height for volumes. And that's 0.3 meters times 0.3 meters times 2.5 meter, which equals 0.225 cubic meters for each. And now for the 300mm x 500mm beams is 0.3 meters times 0.5 meters times 2.5 meters, giving us 0.375 cubic meters each. And to find the total concrete volume for the columns is 0.225 cubic meter times 4 columns, and for the beams is 0.375 cubic meter times 4 beams. And keep in mind, since they are reinforcement bars, we will need to subtract their volume from these totals. And there you have it, guys. That's the essence of calculating concrete volume, accounting for reinforcement bars, weights, and variations. You are now equipped with the power to estimate materials and ensure your project success. Remember, every great structure starts with a solid foundation, and concrete volume is your compass. It's easy, right? So,